Okay, so before we start this video, it's going to be sponsor time because all these videos need sponsors sometimes to support the video, and it's awesome because sponsors are cool and they have amazing products. Today's video sponsor is Coin Master. It's a very, very, very addicting game, and I've been playing it for the last 2 days. So this is a social game. You can connect your Facebook to it and play with your friends, and the aim of the game is to build the most amazing village you can and attack and raid other people's villages. It's totally free and it's on Google Play and Apple iOS. As of right now, it's the most currently downloaded game in the UK. One of my favorite parts is raiding Coin Masters. Also, you get a lot of spins. It's pretty cool. And you got to see my beautiful village. My village is one of a kind. It's incredible. Yeah, my village is pretty cool. I got a pig in there in the corner. I love pigs. You know, pigs are amazing. See, this is the thing. You've got to defend your village, because if you don't defend your village, you're gonna get attacked and you're gonna lose all your coins and you can't build your village anymore. So go ahead and click on the link in the description to download the app right now, and there's 300,000 coins for free to build your amazing domain, your kingdom, and your village, and have your little pets boost you and have amazing time with you. Yeah, I love you all, and let's get on with this amazing vlog, this random spontaneous vlog that we're gonna do today. Take care and bye-bye. Bye-bye. Today's gonna be the most random day ever. We have planned to explore, I don't even know what part of the Philippines we're gonna explore, so that's the beauty about it. We're just gonna go on a spontaneous trip to the airport and figure out where is the cheapest and where is the most interesting destination to go to. And yeah, it's gonna be cool. And I'm joined by the two French Manila boyos today. They're pretty cool guys I've been friends with for a while, but never got to collaborate with them. So now is the time to collaborate and have some fun. And it is Friday night tonight, isn't it?
Yeah,
oh my god!
Yeah, rush hour.
So could you imagine we don't? Imagine we don't get a ticket. Imagine we don't get a flight, and we end up just going to pop Lash on. Oh my god, this is going to be so funny. And we don't even know if we can get into the airport without a ticket, so we'll figure it out. We'll try to figure it out.
You're not ready for what's going to happen to you, Daniel. I'm telling you.
Bro, the memory card is not functioning. There's nothing. Nothing is functioning.
You didn't bring cash.
Oh, I forgot. You have?
Of course I brought cash. That's the first thing you bring is cash.
Can I borrow?
Bro, it's been 10 minutes. We start.
They forgot to charge their battery. Oh my god. These guys are hilarious. Best vloggers.
We are going to Terminal 4.
Okay.
Departure area.
Your voice.
Yeah. Grab 300 pesos.
Okay.
Let's go. So for today's video, we're going to have something special. We worked out for that. That's the plan.
That's the storyline.
Okay, no, let's start now. Okay, video. What are we going to do, Daniel?
I don't know why we chose 5 p.m. as the time to go to the airport, because
Yeah, we could have like
minimizing flights.
We could have left like really earlier. Earlier.
We could have left at like 6 a.m. because then we have a whole day to figure out if we can get up there.
Yeah, but better to arrive at night time.
Yeah, it's better when it's rush hour.
Very fucked up, you know,
I
right?
really like when there's a lot of people.
Saying to my girl, no, like I can go in weekend because, you know, like I don't have money, and then I will fucking spend 10,000 for like
I read that a girlfriend's always moaning, oh babe, let's go on a vacation. Oh baby, I've no money.
No, yeah. No, I love you, babe.
Oh, this is so funny. We're here already.
Okay.
Kuya's gonna check her tickets. Kuya's gonna check her tickets. Does anyone got any fake tickets?
No.
Yeah.
Always be honest.
Yeah.
Huh?
Wait, are you sure there's a ticketing office here? It's a pretty small airport.
I'm not sure.
The only ticketing office I went to was the one in Terminal 3.
Me, it was in Bali. I've never outdoing
Bali? That's an entirely different country, bro.
to arrive at the airport now, and we are not sure if we can take the plane because we have no ticket. So let's try to enter. And let's be honest with the Kuya, he will let us enter for sure.
Kasi gusto kami mag-book ng tickets. Wala dito?
Doon po, sir.
Saan po?
Where can we pay?
Doon sa yung container.
Yeah.
Sige, sige. Okay, salamat Thank you.
Okay, let's follow Kuya Daniel.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Basically, we're looking for the cheapest flight, Kuya, within anywhere in the Philippines.
Cheap. Our cheapest is for Kaligo flight.
Boracay. Boracay. Magkano po?
It's 3,900.
That's pretty good. Return.
Only one way. Still looking for your dalagang Pilipinas, sir?
Grabe. Hello, si Kuya.
He has really expensive hotel net. It's like 20,000 a night.
We just sleep on the beach. So the only option for today is KILIG.
So we try to leave now. We go to Boracay. Okay, I'm good with Boracay. Are you good with Boracay? Okay for Boracay?
We're gonna Boracay. Let's go to Boracay.
You need to book your hotel for Boracay before you arrive.
Yeah, now
It's a new rule.
Yeah, it's actually right now.
Because they are taking all the booking with the hotel.
You didn't know that? Man? Oh yeah. Anyway, we have 2 hours.
Okay, thank you, John. Salamat.
And lastly, sir,
Thank you, Salamat.
take a photo.
Yeah, sige.
Nice.
Any bags for check-in?
No.
Wala.
Wala. Sino Tagalog na?
Opo, tagal po ako dito na. So.
Especially here. This is the best.
Konti lang.
Konti lang.
Mais on l'a dit, on a acheté les tickets déjà. On dit, on fait le calibre. Ah, tu veux faire la première partie 15 On n'a pas d'hôtel, on n'a rien. C'est pas comment on va faire.
Hey Daniel, we stole your camera.
Yeah.
I know you're having your massage right now at the airport. Huh?
It's good, huh?
Little fucker.
Oh, yeah. So what we will do?
What are we going to do with this camera?
Hey guys, you want to know a secret about Daniel Marsh?
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is found under your seat. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
Okay, we've made it to Boracay, not to KILIG, and we're gonna go to Boracay.
We are here. I was checking the hotel.
You guys excited?
Yeah, we're so excited.
Now we figure out how to get from KILIG to Caticlan and then get a boat to Boracay. You guys okay? Yeah.
I think, like, bro, I think 1,200 is not that expensive because it's a 2-hour ride, huh?
Because we're 3, man.
Yeah, we have
Okay,
3.
well we can go back there. Let's just check options. You gonna go for one too? Okay, let's go back to Kuya. He's right there on the left. Oh, well, there you go. Okay.
1,000 here.
Taxi? Can we do 900? 300, 300? Okay, good. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so we got a taxi for 900 from KILIG to Caticlan. Caticlan?
Caticlan?
Is it Caticlan? Kuya, anong oras po ng biyahe ng bangko?
Bangka.
Oh, bangka.
Hanggang magdamag yan. 24 hours.
Talaga? Oh, 24 na?
Tagalog
Opo, Bisaya. Ang nanay ko si Buana, so.
I love this game, huh?
Anyone wants to go somewhere?
Yeah, I'll go in the back with you.
Just arrived to Caticlan airport. I'm so tired from this trip in the taxi, man. Sorry. We just arrived in Caticlan port and we're going to take the boat now. How long is the boat?
They said it was 10 to 15 minutes, so yeah, 10 to 15.
His eyes are red. It's so...
My eyes red? I'm so tired. I've been up since 7. I'm exhausted. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm just getting old. For those of you guys that are actually interested in going to Boracay, the boat is 24 hours and it's cheap. It's 50 pesos at night time and 25 pesos in the day. That's pretty handy.
Okay, it was very fast to come here. It took like 15 minutes from the boat to Caticlan to Boracay. I don't know which camera to look at, guys. But now we are in Boracay! Oh, sorry.
She's alone. Hello. Oi! Hey! Luca.
Good.
How are you doing, man?
Hello.
Good.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you for everything, Ryan.
Okay.
Thank you
Good
very
night.
much,
Good night, Ryan.
Yeah, good night, Ryan.
I know Boracay isn't a perfect example of an adventure, and I know that Boracay isn't considered a spontaneous new place to go to, but we ended up there because it was the cheapest. We did not break the rules, we stuck to the rules, and the rules were at the time the cheapest flight that we could get, and at that time it was the cheapest flight, so I guess the most touristy place was the cheapest flight, so we ended up in the most touristy place. Now, that doesn't mean that it's a bad experience. We're going to have a great experience here, and we're going to show you guys what the new Boracay is about. Now on, we're going to sleep because thank you to our good friend Xavier Ryan, he hooked us up with a room next to his, so good night, guys. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, guys.